Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. I really appreciate it. In today's video, we'll be looking at top gorgeous micro twist braids hairstyle for every woman in 2024. Before we dive in, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. And if you are new here, please kindly like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Micro twist braids are a popular and timeless hairstyle for African women, known for their intricate, delicate appearance and versatility. These tiny braids can be styled in numerous ways, from loose and flowing to elegant updos, making them suitable for both casual and formal occasions. The small size of the twist allows for creative styling such as high buns, braided crowns, and side-swept looks, offering endless possibilities for personalizations. One of the key benefits of micro twist braids is their protective nature. They help shield natural hair from damage, retain moisture, and reduce breakage, promoting healthier hair growth. Additionally, micro twists are lightweight and place minimal tension on the scalp, making them comfortable to wear for extended periods. With proper care, these braids can last for several weeks, providing a low maintenance yet stylish option for women with busy lifestyle. To maintain micro twist braids, it's important to keep the hair moisturized and clean. Regularly apply light oil or leave-in conditioner helps prevent dryness, while gentle washing every few weeks ensures the scalp remains healthy. Wrapping the hair in a silk or satin scarf at night helps preserve the neatness of the twist. Overall, micro twist braids offer a beautiful and practical hairstyle choice for African women. They combine styles with protection, making them a versatile and enduring option for anyone looking to embrace a sophisticated yet manageable look. Finally, I would love you to watch the video and select your choice of style, and I will see you in the next video. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Bye.